So, if you could share with us, what are some tips that you can share with people to be successful as we get towards the end of this show? Things that people can take from this show today to go out and be successful.
Okay, so this is one of my passions. I'm not a life coach. I don't ever intend to be a life coach, but I read a lot of stuff. I study a lot of stuff. Here's a quote I read this morning. Let me pull it up, or I listened to this morning as I was working out. If you do what is easy, life will be hard. If you do what is hard, then life will become or be easy. And there's so much truth to that.
Yeah.
Don't be afraid to do the hard things, and none of us want to do that. At least I don't. I mean, that's not in my genetic makeup. But I force myself, and at times I get excited. I'm like, oh yeah, this is a challenge. I am going to do this, right?
Right.
So don't be afraid of the hard. Don't be afraid of failing. Again, back to that key point.
Yep.
That's one of my key mantras, or whatever you want to say. Just don't be afraid of that. If you had to ask me the question, they asked this to Richard Branson, give us just one thing. If I can do one thing to be successful.
Yeah.
His answer was work out.
Early, every morning.
No, just work out.
Oh, just work
but
out.
I'm going to add to that.
Okay.
Because my answer to that is get up early.
Okay.
Now, when I'm talking early, I'm talking 4 or 5 a.m. Do I get up 4 or 5 a.m. every day? No. Today was 5:45. Right? I got up. I did my spiritual stuff. I pray, gratitude, wherever you are on that spiritual spectrum, whatever you feel is best.
Yep.
And then I work out. And so, for me, mornings, get up, make your morning right, and get up early. There's studies that show getting up early is the best thing, and everyone should do it. And then some people say, well, I'm a night person. Maybe you are, but I don't know. Just for me, I think you need to train yourself to get up early. If you get up early and start your day right, it's going to be a lot better day no matter what.
Right.
No matter what. So get up early and exercise. I do agree with Richard. He's made way more than I'll ever make.
Right.
But so I'm not discounting that, but for me, the mornings are huge. And lastly, your health. Your health is your first wealth. If you're not healthy, you will not be able to enjoy your money.
Yeah.
So you need to take care of that. And there's so much information on that now, and there's a lot of conflicting information on that. But figure out what is healthy for you. That includes getting up early. That includes eating appropriately, staying away from all this bad stuff, etc. But getting up early and eating appropriately, I think, will help you to do that. You'll just feel better, you'll be better, and you'll perform better.
I love it. I need to get better at the eat better.
We all do. It's tough. In America, it is tough. It's so convenient to not, and it's cheaper not to.
Exactly.
But pay it. Yeah, just work at it slowly. I promise you. I've been focusing on that last 6 months, and it's changed a lot of things for me.
Wonderful. Well, guys, you've been listening to the show Utah Home Sweet Home. This is K-Talk Radio 1640 AM. I'm your host, Yoshi Shiraki. If you've missed any part of this show, feel free to go to www.utahhomesweethome.com to check out our social media links. We've got Houston here, as you can see on Facebook Live, who captures all this content. This is also being recorded on the K-Talk podcast. You can also reach out to me, 801-810-4475, if you have any questions. Josh, how can people reach out to you?
Probably the best thing is either my email or my phone number. My name's Josh Christensen, so email is joshchr@gmail.com. So that's joshchr, first three of my last name, at gmail.com, or 801-856-1510. And I love to help people, so yeah, feel free to reach out to me.
Wonderful, Josh. Well, thank you for joining us today. Mohammed, Houston, thank you for your guys' help as well. I hope everyone enjoys the rest of their day.